Let's make an easy side salad that you can whip up fast right before dinner. But first, let's give our pre-washed green lettuce a rough chop and add it to the bowl. Next, I'm going to chop a bell pepper and also add it to the salad. You can make this with red, yellow, green bell peppers, whichever one you like. What I love about side salads is that you can add any other veggies that you might have in the fridge, so it's just like a free-for-all. Next, my crunchy veggies like this cucumber, which I'm going to slice in half and then into half moons and throw that into the bowl. I have half a red onion left over from another recipe that I'm going to chop up and also add it to my salad. Now, my kids love black olives and juicy grape tomatoes, so let's add those too. By the way, if you love simple recipes just like this one, give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep making them in my channel. Let's add some crunch with some sunflower seeds, croutons, and grated Parmesan cheese. All that's left is a generous drizzle of my balsamic vinaigrette and give everything a really good toss. Which, by the way, if you need a great vinaigrette recipe, make sure to watch how I made it in this next video. But first, enjoy the salad and see you next time.